Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Let your body soften just a little. Allow your breath to become slow and steady. You are entering a quiet space created for your clarity, your strength, and your direction. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. There is nothing you need to solve right now. This moment is for you. Allow your shoulders to relax. Let your jaw soften. Let your hands rest naturally. Breathing in, calm. Breathing out, tension. If your thoughts feel busy, that's okay. You do not need to fight them. Simply notice them and return to your breath. Your breath is steady, reliable, quiet, and beneath your thoughts, there is stillness. Now imagine yourself standing at the beginning of a peaceful path. This path leads inward, toward your inner strength. Begin walking slowly. With each step, you feel grounded, supported, safe. Even if life has felt uncertain, even if doubt has appeared, you are still here. You have made it through difficult days before. That is strength. Not loud strength, not forced strength, but steady strength. Take another slow breath in. As you breathe out, release self-doubt. Release comparison. Release pressure. You do not need every answer. You only need the next step. Up ahead, notice a soft, warm light. This light represents clarity. It is gentle, not harsh, not overwhelming. As you move closer, your thoughts begin to slow, like clouds drifting across the sky. You are not the clouds. You are the sky. Open, spacious, steady. Step into the light. Feel the light surrounding you, around your head, around your chest, around your entire body. This light reminds you, you are capable. You are resilient. You can trust yourself. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Imagine a small, steady flame glowing there. This flame is your inner strength. It has always been there, even in difficult moments. Notice how calm it feels. Not dramatic, just steady. With every breath, it grows slightly brighter. Clarity does not mean knowing everything. Clarity means trusting yourself to handle what comes next. Now imagine you are rooted like a tree. your feet grounded, your spine tall, your body relaxed. Storms may come, uncertainty may appear, but your roots go deep. Deep roots create stable growth, and growth takes time. You are not behind. You are becoming. Gently ask yourself, what truly matters to me right now? Do not force an answer. Simply allow a feeling to rise. Trust what comes. Now choose a simple intention. It might be, I trust my inner strength, or I move forward with clarity. Repeat your intention silently. Let it settle within you. Take one final deep breath in. Hold gently and slowly release. Begin to notice your body again, the surface beneath you, the air around you. Gently move your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders softly. Pause, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this peace with you. Carry this steady strength with you. You already have what you need within you. Move forward, clear, grounded, strong. Move forward.